every single time I'm in this school, I learn something new. Like, it's not a if or but, it's a matter of what am I gonna learn today and how am I gonna apply that in real life, in my business, in school. My childhood was really good. I have both loving parents, lived in the same house all my life. School was always kind of hard for me just because I was premature. When I was born a pound and a half. I only had a 55% chance of living, and I was 3 months early. One thing childhood-wise was definitely music, for sure. I kind of got into that at an early age with my brother. One of my biggest influences actually was my late Nonna, who died recently. And he was always just every single step of the way, he was like, Evan, let's put on some old records and dance and stuff. So I would always have this mentality of having that show presence, you know, in the family room, just dancing to like tequila or like old tunes. I would just love that source of giving the people like that energy. And so I decided to take that first step in making DJ Evon. God was just saying, hey, do it. You know, just go ahead and do it. And so I was like, are you sure? Like, is this really what I need to be doing? And now I realize it can be so much more. Just the avenues I can take with being a DJ can really be huge. I've been doing that for about 4 years now, so in and out of just various gigs. And I've been doing some concerts. I did a tour once. I've been trying to get back into the wedding scene and doing that as well. So as a DJ, the EP is Holy, Holy, Holy. It's gonna have 3 songs. It's a concept kind of EP album type thing. That we are kind of me and Qbox. He is a producer as well, kind of same vision, same mindset. Be ready for a music video soon. So I'm pretty excited for that. That's the beauty of MediaTech, is that you can go and explore. You have that time to learn. You have that time to really focus on who you are and who you want to be. I think that it's probably one of the most beautiful things that I'm just so blessed to be here.